Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are back at our weekly spot. We are back at the pub, about to get into some super good deals this week. Y'all know how I do. We're not going to waste any time around here. Let's jump right into it. So the first thing you want to be on the lookout for, this is not a BOGO deal, but definitely be on the lookout for deodorant clearance at your store. My store had a lot of deodorant on clearance, some good brands. We got the Secret, the Old Spice, and something else that stood out to me was the Axe. Axe stood out to me because we do have a 7 off of 2 digital coupon. So I'm going to test that to see if that 7 off of 2 works on these, because these are buy 2 for $5.99. So if so, I'll get $1 in overage from these. So definitely be on the lookout to see if your store has any Axe markdowns left. We also have some nice clearance in this toothpaste section. So this Advanced Crest Kids, that's $2.44. Let me show you guys a close-up of this one. So I already bought some of this earlier this week, and the 4 off of 2 digital coupon did work on this, making this just 24 cents. So be on the lookout. If your store carries the Advanced and it's on clearance, it will work with our coupon, you guys. So I'm not going to be doing a whole lot of shopping this week. This is not going to be a big haul video for me. It's really going to be more like a best deals video, because a lot of these deals are repeats of ones that we've already had over the past week or two. A lot of these deals are really good. So if you need these products, it is still stock up time. So the Chips Ahoy is one of those deals. These are buy one, get one for $3.78. So we can pick up 2 of those, and then, or you could actually pick up to 5 since this limit is 5. And then you will get back a total of $2 when you pick up 2 on Ibotta. That's going to make these just 89 cents each, which of course is a great price for Chips Ahoy. The Royal Rice is another good deal. These are on sale 3 for $5, so they will be $1.67 each. In your Publix app, if you clip this, you have this $1 digital coupon that'll already make it just 66 cents. Then you want to go over to Ibotta, and we also have 50 cents in cash back, making final cost just 16 cents. Next deal we got is on the Puffs cereal. So this is the Oreo Puffs. If you weren't able to grab this before, it is now back on sale for $4.49. Buy one, get one. We do have $1 back on each one on Ibotta. So when you pick up 2 boxes of these, then final cost will be just $2.49 for 2, or $1.25 each. We also have the same deal on the Cinnamon Pebbles. These are buy one, get one for $4.49, but on Ibotta, we have 75 cents back on these. So when you pick up 2 and you get back that $1.50 from Ibotta, final cost on these will be just $1.50 per box. Next deal we got is on the Hoist sports drink. So these are buy one, get one for $2.50. Pick up 2 of them, and then you can submit over to Ibotta for 50 cents back on each one. Gonna make final cost on these babies just 75 cents each. The Like Air Puff Corn is on sale, buy one, get one, and we have a buy one, get one aisle offer. So for my Florida folks, you may be able to pick 2 of these up for completely free, because the sale will pay for one, and then aisle would pay for the other one. Now for my half BOGO folks, when you pick up 2 of them, aisle may only reimburse you for that $2.25, making 2 of them $2.25 or $1.12 each, which is still absolutely amazing. We got a fantastic price on the Local Hive Honey Hot Sauce. These are buy one, get one for $4.99. So you want to grab 2 this week, and then you can submit over to Ibotta for $1 back on each one. That's going to make final cost $2.99 for 2, or $1.49 each. Back to Nature Nuts are buy one, get one for $7.89. In your Publix app, we do have a digital coupon for $1 off that does expire on March 13th. So if you could just pick up 1 of these, then final cost for 1 bag will be $2.84. If you're in Florida and you need to pick up 2, then final cost for 2 bags will be $3.44 each. These big bags of Quaker Rice Crisps are buy one, get one for $5.19. Go on ahead and pick up 2 bags for $5.19, and you will get back $1 total. Let me focus in on that. From Ibotta, so 50 cents per bag will make final cost for these 2 just $2.10 per bag. These big party size Pringles are buy one, get one for $3.29. So you want to pick up 4 of them, because we have this 3 off of 4 coupon in the Publix app. And so after that coupon, you will be left to pay $3.58 for 4, making these just 89 cents per can. This Springer Mountain Farms chicken is buy one, get one for $4.99. Pick up 2 and then use the $1.50 printable coupons you can get when you sign up for their emails. It'll make final cost for these bags just 99 cents each. This deal we have on the Butterball turkey sausage. So these are buy one, get one for $4.89. Go on ahead and pick up 2 of them and then submit over to Ibotta for 50 cents back on each one. Gonna make final cost on these just $1.94 per sausage. Next, we got a nice money maker on the Polar preserve. So you want to pick up 2 of these babies for $4.69. Buy one, get one this week. On Inbox Dollars, Swag Bucks, you know, all of those sister sites, we have $5 back on 2 if you clip that higher amount. That will make them completely free, plus a 31-cent moneymaker. And we also have 75 cents back on checkout 51. That is going to make final cost completely free, plus a 101 moneymaker when you pick up 2. This muscle milk is on clearance at my store. This vanilla 4-pack. When does this expire? Oh, 2027. I think I might get this. This is just $3.51. And I was moving so fast in the store, I did not even take a picture of my transaction, but I did pick up that muscle milk. I added it in with 2 Axe body sprays and 2 of the Crest Kids. The digital coupons did work for the Axe and the Crest, and I ended up paying $2.98 for that transaction. This is a nice clearance item at my store. This Tide Clean and Gentle, if this is your brand of choice, is on clearance. This is marked down half price. 68 loads for just $10.74 in the powder form. And then we got a few items that are BOGO that I just want you guys to know about, because these are not items that go BOGO that often. The first one is the Kerrygold butter. If you are a fan of Kerrygold like me, you know this is stock up time when these are buy one, get one. Now, this is a good buy one, get one. If you are a mama like me who uses a lot of these Jimmy D's pancake sausage on a stick, these are buy one, get one, and they will be $9.99 buy one, get one. So you can grab these for $5 per box. That is a stock up price. The Publix ribs along with the butt roast, this is actually a really good price. Like, this is just $9.99. This one is $11.49. These will be BOGO with the new sale, so you can grab a roast for as low as $5 with this sale. We have a lot of repeat deals in the cleaning aisle. One of them is this deal that we had on the Clorox last week, where when you buy the spray cleaner, you are going to grab one of these for free. So if you didn't grab that last week, or you want to grab some more this week, you can still pick up 2 of these, and you're only going to pay $5.19 for both items. Use the 2 off of 2 digital coupon if you still have that, or the 2 off of 2 printable, and you will end up paying $3.19 for both, or just $1.59 each. The finish is a fantastic price this week if you need it. So these are now on sale for buy one, get one, and these $10.99 bags that are included, these are the 27 count, so these will work. And we have 2 $2 digital coupons for these. So after these coupons, you will end up paying just $6.99 for 2 of these bags. That will make final cost for these just $3.49 per bag. Now, these are a deal I will probably pick up a little bit later in the week. These OxyClean cleaners are buy one, get one for $5.49. I picked up some $1 peelies for these from Walmart. That's going to make final cost on these just $1.75 each after those $1. Now, one deal I am going to pick up, because I personally love these a lot, is these Amy Lou breakfast bites. These are buy one, get one for $5.09. Now, I'm going to pick up 4 boxes because I have this fetch offer. Let me pull up this offer on Fetch. So I have this offer for $2.20 back when I spend $10. So that's why I'm going to pick up 4 of them, because that'll put me at $10.18 when I pick up 4. Then I'll get back $2.20 on Fetch. It'll make final cost $7.99 for 4 boxes, or making these $1.99 each. And I also wanted to quickly mention the palm olive just because I have it in my cart, so I know you guys will see it. This is a repeat deal from last week. These are BOGO for $4.99, and we have the $1 digital coupon that does expire today. So when I picked up one, it was just $1.50, and I used the Axe overage to pay for that. All right, you guys, so that is the best Publix deals for this week. I may be back in the next day or two posting a short video if some new deals pop up, but these are the best ones that you can get right now. I only did one little super small transaction. I told you guys I was just going to focus in on the best deals for this week. I had a lot going on today personally. Y'all probably don't know, most of you guys, depending on how long you've been watching me, that my mom is sick, and I spend a lot of time back and forth in the hospital. She's currently in the hospital because she's chronically ill. She's critically ill right now. So a lot of my days are consumed with being at the hospital, talking to doctors, all that type of stuff. So it's a lot going on in the background for me. And then I'm also a mom mom and a wife, but I got my whole life as well. So there's always a lot of moving pieces. So if y'all ever wonder like why my videos go up so late, that is why. My son is a teenager, but he is also on the spectrum. So he's a teenager that I do have to watch closely and spend a lot of time with. So there's a lot going on for me. So that's why some of these videos will be up at midnight, because sometimes that's really, you guys, the soonest that I can get to it. So thank you guys for always being patient with me, because like I said, there's a lot always going in on the back end. If you have ever been a caregiver, then you understand. I did want to grab my Amy Lou, so I did a little transaction with these items right here. After my one coupon came off, I paid out $17.21, and I did get back a total of $8 from Ibotta and $2.20 from Fetch Rewards, making that just $7 for this transaction. So let me know if you have any questions. Please remember to thumbs up this video and subscribe if you have not already. I would love to have you here. As always, you guys, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.